has been written centuries ago. And think about it, how can something written over 1400 years ago describe something that science has recently confirmed as true or recently discovered? The cosmos is one prime example, and I found this to be quite fascinating. In the 20th century, astronomers have found that the galaxies are actually moving away from each other. What does this mean? It means that the universe is expanding. This was actually mentioned in the Quran. It says, "We built the universe with great might, and we are certainly expanding it." So how would they know this before the origin of the telescope was even invented? Before they really even knew the science of the sky? Before NASA? Before any of that? How would they know that? Scientists have also discovered that every human being is made up of water, but this is also mentioned in the Quran. The Quran says, "We created from water every living thing." Okay, and then scientists over the past however many years talking about the barriers of water. We had discovered that the different types of water, like where the ocean and the river meet, do not mix. The salt and the fresh water. It's like, you can look it up where it's from the satellite, they will not mix. And guess what? That is mentioned in the Quran as well. You look it up in the Quran, it talks about the physical barrier. The Quran says, "He merges the two bodies of water, the fresh and the salt. Yet between them is a barrier that they do not cross." Another pretty interesting fact that I find really cool is in regards to the moon. Okay, scientists, NASA discovered that the moon itself does not produce light. In fact, it reflects the light from the sun. So in the Quran it says, "He made the sun a radiant source, and the moon a reflected light." Another interesting fact that science has proved that iron actually does not come from the earth. It actually comes from space. And you guys know what? It says that in the Quran as well. "We sit down iron with great strength and benefit for humanity." Now, just so you guys know, iron comes from the meteorites. Okay, so celestial movements is another thing that the Quran talks about. Modern science has proved that we know that the earth, the sun, the moon, they all have their own